Solving for x, the basics. So for our first equation, we have x minus 2 is equal to 10. In order to find the value for x, we have to get x alone on one side. To do this, we have to move the negative 2 to the other side. So how do we do that? Well, whatever we do to one side, you have to do to the other to make a balanced equation. So in this case, we have to add 2 to cancel out the negative 2, and then, but we also have to do it to the 10, which will make that 12. This will give us our answer. X is equal to 12. Now we're going to take a look at what happens when we have an x on both sides. Well, we have to get all the variables on one side, so we subtract 2x from the first side to cancel it out on one side, and then we subtract 2x from the other side, leaving us with 4 equals 2x minus 12. We now have to get the negative 12 to the other side, so we add 12 to both sides, and now we have 16 equals 2x. We want to find the value for 1x, so we have to divide by the number of x's there are, in this case 2. This leaves us with our answer. X is equal to 8. The 1 doesn't really matter in front of the x, so it's just x equals 8. Finally, what happens when we have distributive property in the equation? Well, this bit of the problem is basically, or this bit up here, is basically 2 times x plus 2 times 4. And basically, because of PEMDAS, or the order of operations, we know that we have to do the multiplication first, and we're left with 2x plus 8 is equal to 1 plus x plus 1. We then subtract x from both sides, and we subtract 8 from both sides, and we are left with our solution. X equals -7.